Have you ever felt that your singing sounds flat with no groove or life? There's a little known exercise which can fix that, and it doesn't even require you to sing. Today we're going to talk about Solfeggio Parlato, which means spoken solfeggio. This is an exercise which can bring your singing to a whole new level of quality. So what exactly is Solfeggio Parlato? Let me explain you this simple method, which will not only help you understand the basics of solfeggio, but also will improve your singing. Let's first understand what a melody is. Notes of different lengths, placed at different pitches. Quite simple explanation. What we are talking about today mainly concerns to the rhythm, but it also impacts the pitch. To fully understand this technique, I would like to divide it into 3 exercises you should do in order. In any song there's a beat. That's the pulse that makes you nod your head or tap your foot in time with the music. This beat can be subdivided into smaller parts. The idea of this exercise is to subdivide the notes you sing into a smaller units. We simply start by speaking the song's lyrics in rhythm. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. Then subdivide each note into smaller parts. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. This way you won't confuse note lengths. You will be precise with the rhythm and you will not interrupt the breath, because the subdivisions will give it the small impulses. Like if you don't do it, if the world is stopping, world. And if you do world, it's these impulses make your breath going forward. I recommend doing this exercise before you sing the song, better during the learning stage. Also, I recommend you to do this exercise with the songs you already know and you already sing. Now let's move to the second part of the exercise. Do it only if you did the first one. Take any vowel, for example, ah. Sing it on any comfortable note. Ah. Don't go too high, don't go too low. Don't sing it too loud, don't sing it too softly. Sing it normally, feel comfortable. Don't do ah or oh. Take something in the middle. Ah, I'm okay with this. For now, just do it without rhythm. Ah, if the world was ending, I wanna be next. Here it's very important to concentrate on the vowels and to sing your consonants very softly and very quickly. When you start to feel that you are not interrupting the airflow, move to the third part of the exercise. Now let's add rhythm and phrase accents. Think about police siren. In the beginning it's soft and then it goes higher and becomes louder. Like wow, wow. Here you need to do the same. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. You need to do this exercise with original rhythm of the song and also with the smaller subdivision as I told you before. Like, if the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. And it's very important how you produce the sound. You don't need to do it too loud or too soft. Like if you do, if the world, no, you already interrupted the airflow. Or if you do it too lazily, if the world, this is also not good. You need to find this golden middle and to do it normally, like as I told you, as a police siren. If the world was ending, I wanna be next. And with subdivision, the same thing. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If you guys have any questions, you can drop them in the comment and I will be happy to respond to you. Or if you want to book a lesson with me, just write on this email. You can also find it in the description. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and press subscribe, not to miss new videos and your chance to sing better. It's Andre.mik. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye.